Have you ever wondered how a fully automated grading line works? On our recent trip to the US, we saw AI-assisted grading machines, automated sorting bins, automated stackers, basically automated everything. Carrying on from our recent video about kilning, the dry timber is loaded onto the sorting line and the sticks are removed.
Once the boards are on the line, they are ready to be graded. Traditionally, this would be done by a very experienced person. However, at this facility, they were using some new cutting-edge technology, an AI grading machine. The machine uses a series of cameras, looking both down on the board and up from underneath. The image of the board generated using these cameras goes through a vast amount of calculations, taking into account the defects, like sap, splits and wane. A number is printed to help identify each board so it is sent to the correct bin. The bins that the boards fall into represent different sorts. The sorts could be by grade, but also by dimension. For instance, if a customer wanted to buy a certain grade, but in a width specification of, say, 6 to 7 inches, this bin system makes it very easy to do so. Once each bin is full, it is dropped down onto the conveyor below and fed into the stacking machine. After the pack is finished being stacked, it drops down to a banding machine, which, you guessed it, is also automatic. The final piece of the puzzle is to generate a tally of each pack. This is done using a scanner which reads the thickness, width and length of each board. This information and some very clever software can then be used to generate the tally. Now that the pack has come to the end of the line, it can be put into stock. Wait for the rest of the order to be processed, loaded into a container, and then dispatched to customers all over the world.